Hello, Marie. I just finished our lovely weekly call, as you know. So this is the place where I do my lovely catch-up calls with you. So it's a very small room, but the call we are running is, let's say, very exciting. So I would rather prefer to stay in such a small room, and go through the aging one by one and get through the accounts. I'm recording this video just to say, that I wish you the best of luck. I'll repeat that again. And as I said, it's a mix of emotions. I'm happy for you that this is what you wanted, and sad at the same moment, for leaving us. And I'm sure that you are sharing the same feelings. So this is what you wanted, at least, or what you would love to do. So I wish you the best of luck in the new role, and I'm sure that you are going to do great job there. You're the best fit for that, with all of the respect to the others, but I know what you can do, and I know your capabilities and what you can add to that job. I'm sure it's not going to add for you. So it's something that you wanted to do. So I wish you the best of luck in that role. Stay in touch, because it's going to be very difficult for us, and for me personally, I would say, because I know you since more than 5 years, and I know how great person and great manager you are. So it's going to be difficult for me and for the others, I'm sure. But what making us happy, as I said, that you are actually moving to a new challenge within the company, and I know that you are excited for that challenge. So I wish you the best of luck again. Stay in touch. The good thing that you are going to be around, and we are going to see each other when I'm in Cork, hopefully, if I come to Cork again with the travel freeze. But take care of yourself, and we will keep in touch for sure. The best of luck. And again, as we agreed in our call just a few minutes ago, that I'll bring the napkins and you'll bring the onion, and let's start crying on Friday if we can do it. Take care of yourself, and I wish you the very best of luck, and stay in touch. Bye-bye.